Hello friends, Shawn from Silicon Theory here, and this is the iPhone XS Max. I'm here today to swap my SIM out of my Pixel 3 device into the XS Max and go for a week on an iPhone. How did I get to this point? Let's take a look. So here it is, the XS Max, and straight away I'm going to apologize for my voice. I've been a little bit sick lately, so if you hear any raspiness in my voice, it's because of that. But now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Got the documentation and material from Apple, of course, designed by Apple in California. The phone itself, of course, which I'll put off to the side for just a moment. The really small charging adapter, 5 watts, and your lightning connected AirPods, standard fare, and then your USB to lightning connector, also standard fare, and nothing else in the box. So as noted, Apple has removed the dongle from this year's box, so you're not going to get a headphone adapter. If you have a headphone jack, you're pretty much SOL. So let's put all that stuff back inside. Hopefully it will fit nicely. And here's the device itself. It's roughly the size of the 8 Plus or 7 Plus or any other plus size phone that you might be used to using. And power and, the volume up and down switch is here, your lock switch up top, and then the big screen wake and lock button. And then you've got your SIM tray down below, dual camera setup and flash up here, and the rather glossy back. So let's peel some plastic. I have to be honest, the black colorway is actually pretty nice. Apple has indicated that the glass durability on the back has been significantly improved from the iPhone X, although the XR does not share the same strengthened glass. So buyers of the XR, you definitely want to watch out for that. But in just a moment, I'm going to go ahead and get my SIM swapped out and fire this baby up. So, how's it going to be for a guy who's used to using Android to start using an iPhone? How's it going to be for a guy who bought the Pixel 3 because of its small size to go to using the largest iPhone available? Stick around and find out. We'll have our full review up in about a week. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find all of our content over at silicontheory.com. Follow us on social. We are at Silicon Theory on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And be sure to subscribe to the channel by hitting the link that looks like our logo in the corner. Thanks again, and remember, we will talk tech soon.